It's a public building. The people own it. The people built it.
Right, but security purposes, they don't want...
It doesn't matter. I'm on public property. I have a right to film it.
I've already talked to your sergeant down there. She already aware, so you might want to give her a call on the radio, and then you can go back to doing what you're doing, man. All right, you have a nice day. What's your name and badge number before you go?
It's in your process.
If you have reasonable doubt that I'm committing a crime or I'm going to commit a crime, then I could give you my ID.
ID or jail, that's the line Utah Transit Authority police drop on a photographer whose only weapon is a camera aimed at railroad tracks. Watch nerves spike as officers claim it's critical infrastructure, threaten terrorism charges, and read a stop and identify statute they can't quite make stick. When the auditor asks, what crime the silence is louder than the passing train?
Well, you're making directives about something I didn't even do. Don't tie your shoelaces together. Don't smoke crack. I mean, do you need anything else? Do you need any other directives? I mean, I understand that. I haven't been on their property. No, I'm not. This is public property. The people own this. It says public parking right there. And this is a public street. I already checked this out with GIS survey. Am I being detained, sir?
Why don't you go?
Why don't you go? What's your name, sir? Nope, I just want your plate number so I can talk to Mr. Reed. 5991. Huh?
He's on vacation right now.
I'll find out. He's over my house twice a week.
Okay. You have any ID?
Do you have ID, sir?
Yes.
What's your name?
Right there.
Is that what you tell the judge, sir?
What's your issue anyway?
I don't have an issue. I'm just asking you what your name is before I don't know. Are you? Okay. And what's your badge number, sir, or employee?
I have badge number.
Yes, you do. Okay. Yes, you do. What's your employee ID number?
1451.
That's correct. That's what I thought.
Okay.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
They just don't want you to take a picture of the building.
Too bad. It's a public building. The people own it. The people built it.
Right, but security purposes, they don't want...
It doesn't matter. I'm on public property. I have a right to film it.
Why don't you go ahead and leave right now?
Why don't you turn around and take off too? I mean, if you're going to issue directives, why can't I?
Well, because you don't have any authority to issue directives.
Neither do you. I'm not doing anything wrong and I'm not breaking the law. You have no authority over me.
Suspicious,
is that a misdemeanor or a felony, sir?
It could be a misdemeanor.
No, it can't. Suspicion is not a crime.
If I tell you to leave the property, leave the area.
I'm not, no, you can't tell me to leave public space. You can tell me to leave their property if I'm on it, but that says public parking.
Okay.
Public. That's for the public.
Are you parking? No.
Do you know that I haven't parked over there? Do you know that my car's not sitting over there in this parking lot?
I don't know why you'd be here anyway. It's just kind of weird.
Oh, okay, is that a crime?
Acting odd is not a crime, but
correct.
The way you act is kind of bizarre.
Well, that's because you've approached number
anything better to do.
25 or 26. Are you ILEA certified?
Yes, I went through the academy.
Is he ILEA certified? He wouldn't answer.
I don't know.
Are you ILEA certified, sir?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so you're not an officer.
Yes, I'm a special deputy.
Okay, so you
JP4.
So you don't really have any authority out on the street. Out on the street. Out in the public easement. No, you don't.
On this property, yes, I do.
I wasn't on the property.
On this property, yes, I do. There's my badge, there's my identification, and there's my ID.
Okay.
Now, I've asked you not to. I said you can film across the street. I said I don't have no problem with it. I said do not come to the front of the building because we have juveniles that are.
Hi, sir. Good.
Sergeant Isley, County Police.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah, what are we doing today?
Taking pictures.
Okay, you can take pictures.
That's correct. Well, tell this gentleman that because he's saying I can't.
Really be here on their property.
I'm not on their property. I'm on public property.
Okay.
Not only that, but right there it says public parking. I can go in that parking lot, right?
Okay, it's public.
I mean, I asked these guys, how do they?
Out here, you're in a street.
Well, that's because so I can be right here.
Well, it's a yellow curb as part of the street.
So I can be right here.
No, not really.
Well, so you can't tell me to not be in the road. There has to be an easement.
Well, the roadway's dangerous. You're obstructing.
Am I not lit up bright enough?
Do you want to
am I not bright enough here? I mean, don't you think people can see me here? I'm in bright
Well, it's still, they have to slow down and change their direction of travel.
Okay.
Why don't we go to the public parking lot and stand there and talk?
Technically, that's not public parking.
Okay.
It says public. It says public parking.
I have maintenance take it down.
It says public parking.
That's
It says public, but it says public.
Okay, I understand that. That doesn't mean that it is. Can we go over to this parking lot and talk?
Sure.
Okay. Come with me. I'll stop traffic for you. Right this way. These people have to stop, so you can't be in the street.
Well, I'm following you. I wasn't in the street. I was following you.
You wanted to go to the parking lot. See that yellow striped area that's not a parking area? Let's go stand over there.
That looks like private property.
Well, they told me that this was actually public property over here. Okay? So you want to stand here?
I'm good right here.
Okay, well, I don't want you in the street. So you're safe up on the grass, okay? I don't want you to fall. I want you to scoot over in the grass for me.
You keep issuing directives, and I think I've been walking.
It's for your safety.
But you are not in charge of my safety. I am.
Well, if somebody hits you, then I got to do.
You're not in charge of my safety.
Did you have any purpose to be out here?
Yes.
What's that?
Officer accountability, building accountability.
Okay.
It's a First Amendment audit.
Okay.
And I'm just taking pictures of the building.
Okay.
You know, if they want to make an issue of it, I'll take pictures of every plate and every person that walks in and out of here.
That's okay. People, you can take their picture. I don't have a problem with that.
They have a problem with it.
Well, you're in a property of a detention facility.
I'm not in the property.
Okay.
I'm on a public street.
And over here, you're okay. I think over there, you're in there. There's cameras. That's a detention facility.
Right, but they have layers of security. I'm making sure inmates aren't rappelling off the structure.
Okay.
I'm making sure that these guys respect and honor their oath.
I understand that, and that's why I'm here.
Okay.
You have First Amendment right to take pictures of anything you want.
And that guy threatened me.
Okay, well, that's between you and him.
No, that's between you and him.
That's not between me and him. I didn't hear him threaten you. Okay.
I can bring it up. It's all being live streamed.
Okay.
Would you like to see it?
No, that's okay.
So you don't want to talk to him about making threats?
I'll talk to him in a minute. I just want to make sure you're okay. I want you to stay here, okay? And I'm going to go talk to him. Can we do that? I'm going to separate the two parties in this dispute, apparently, and I'm going to go talk to this guy for a second.
Okay. I'll maintain distance here.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Thank you, Sarge.
And your name is?
I'm a correspondent with Indiana News and Information.
Okay. Okay. Do you have a name?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking you to identify yourself because you're here and we've obviously have a controversy. They're going to leave you alone. I'm going to depart here.
You're going to ask me to identify myself?
Yeah. Name, date of birth. That's all I need.
No, sir.
Okay. You're refusing to identify yourself. You're in front of a detention facility.
Hold on. Before we get going, would that be code 34285 3.5?
What's that?
Would that be this menu code 34285 3.5?
Okay.
That'd be failure to ID. What crime have I committed?
I'm just trying to find out your name.
Yeah. But what crime have I committed?
I don't know that you're not a dangerous
It's only in the case of an infraction or an ordinance violation.
I'll tell you what. You want to take your pictures, you go ahead.
Right.
Stay off of their property.
Yes, sir.
That's not public property. That is a public facility, but it is a detention facility.
Right, I understand that. I understand that.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
good.
That's why I was never on. That's why I was never on the property.
All right. Thank you very much.
So what did they say about this? I can be in the grass or the walkway?
Yep. They tell me that is where the public parks when they come to their facility.
Right.
That, though it says public parking, is where their employees park. That is where juveniles are brought in.
Correct.
Okay. Now you can't film juveniles going into the facility. Then that's between you and the juvenile you film. So,
you can, because they have no expectation of privacy in public.
If
you already know that.
Sees his picture on YouTube, that might be a question, but him and you can resolve in civil court or whatever. Okay.
Well, there's nothing to it because you have no expectation of privacy in public.
That's up to civil court. All right. As long as you're not out here where you're going to get hurt and you're not going to hurt anybody.
Correct. I have no ill will or ill intent.
I don't know that.
Well, I'm telling you that I'm innocent until proven guilty.
People lie to me all the time.
Well, I can't help what other people do. I'm not.
You may be lying to me.
I'm not. I'm telling you I'm not.
How do I know that? I'm not.
Because right. Okay. But so you're saying that you're going to treat me as though I am lying? I mean, how dare you? I thought you were servant to the. I thought you were servant to the public.
None of what I hear and half of what I say.
I thought you were servant to the public.
I am.
Okay, so we're all terrible.
Do you just want to sit here and have?
No, I just can't believe you're calling me a liar, a thief, a cheat, a murderer.
I don't know you.
Right, I don't know you either. Do you have any internal affairs investigations?
I don't know. You'll have to ask internal affairs.
Do you have anything pending?
Not that I know of.
So is that Mr. Stone or Mr. Gladia? Which one do I ask?
That would be Captain John Zagelmeyer.
You want me to speak to Mr. Zagelmeyer?
You may, if you'd like.
I've spoken with him before. He knows who I am.
Okay. You're welcome to call him then if you know who he is. I'm okay.
Oh, yes.
I have
Oh,
nothing
yes.
to hide.
I have his card.
My life's an open book. All right? I'll be right back. I'm gonna talk
Thank you,
to
sir. I appreciate it. Thank you for your time.
Suspicion isn't a statute. In public space, photography is speech, and the burden of proof rides the badge. If an officer can't name the crime, you don't have to name yourself. Film, stand firm, and let the Constitution be the loudest voice in any rail yard. But a lesson isn't real until it survives a rematch, so march back through those courthouse doors and watch déjà vu get grilled on the witness stand. What happens when you march back into the same courthouse that threatened to arrest you the week before, camera rolling and FOIA forms in hand? Follow one auditor floor to floor as clerks hit the panic button. Deputies swarm. A sergeant forgets his own ID. And a public records request for a clerk's cell phone video flips the script. Round 2, same building, new civics lesson.
All right, so I had to come back and do a part 2 because what y'all didn't get to see last time, because I was handling business, I decided not to record that one because they was trying to threaten to arrest me and whatnot, so I didn't want to interfere with the court that I had that day. So I let them kind of get up on me a little bit, but I filed the complaint and whatnot, so that's in. And now I'm back here to do my round 2, just so they can see I wasn't playing with them.
Second floor going up.
So, again, it's the clerk's office. This is where you would go if you needed any information as far as the clerks. Ma'am, this is peaceful recording. I've already
recording here in the clerk's office. We asked
Here we-
you before not to do it.
Here we go. Here we go. I've already talked to the sergeant down there. I let her know that I was going to come floor to floor and just do my little recording. It's not against the law, ma'am. It's a public building. So I've already talked to the sheriff. Well, not the sheriff, but the sergeant, and let her know. So she's already aware. But again, in the area where she's at, you see in the last video that I recorded, you can't record in that actual room. So the conversation that me and her had, I couldn't record it, but yeah, she's already aware. Told her I'll probably be about 15 minutes before I'm done and whatnot. So we just gonna hit the rooms real quick and just see what's out here. I guess this is like the traffic division. There's nobody up here at the windows. Let's go up to the 3rd floor. I might want to stay on this floor to see if they send somebody up to bother me about recording in the clerk's office. Look, they running. Was someone coming for me? She hit the panic button. I didn't want to run if they was coming. I wanted to holler at them. What? All right. She was scared. I guess we're gonna go up to the next floor. But yeah, so the last time after I was done, but the reason why I didn't record it was because I had to go still see the judge. And I didn't want them to try to arrest me before my time to see the judge, and then they throw off my case because I didn't show up. Had some important papers to file and stuff and get before the judge, so couldn't do it then. But back now, because like I was saying, he got all up over me. The Sergeant Ramos got all in my face while I was sitting down, trying to be threatening, telling me he gonna arrest me and take me in front of the judge and whatnot. So I've handled my business for today, so I had to run it back now, just to make my point clear. What's going on with you, OG? Same hallways, we know they empty. Keep y'all out, OG. Court is definitely in session on all floors. But yeah, Sergeant got all in my face and whatnot. And the dude, the dude that was at the front with the afro from the first video, he was the one that went and got the sergeant after him saying they didn't want the smoke. Went and got the sergeant after I was done doing my audit, and surrounded me with 3 officers, right? So I would have made my complaint and whatnot, put it in with his lieutenant, had him looking crazy and whatnot. But again, I couldn't record it because I was in their office with that sign. But I did get the complaint on videotape with the lieutenant, so I will request that public records on that video. And then I'll probably request the videos inside the building through FOIA and get those for free. Again, people, we can get those for free. You can have them send you a link to your email, and you'll have like 25 days or something before it expires, and you can download the video. So stop paying $40. But yeah, I'll get that video, and then I'll piece it all up so y'all can see him like trying to surround me and whatnot. Gave me the judge's order and whatnot, telling me that he put out an order or a policy of his own stating that people can't record in the building. He tried to say the whole building, but of course we know that that's not right. So here to put him in check again, since they threatened to arrest me last time. I'm done with my court for today, so I'm not worried about them trying to arrest me now. I've already seen the judge, so we good. Let's hit the 5th floor. And then I'll eventually go back down to the 2nd floor in the clerk's office and see if the sheriffs ever came, or if they put her on notice that what I was doing was okay, because she was nervous and scared. You see, she hurried up and hit the button, covered up her face. Yeah, so we're gonna put them in check today, man. They called y'all on me, man?
I mean, you gotta put the recorder on.
Why is that?
Because that's the policy of the courthouse.
But I don't gotta follow the policy.
Yes, you do.
That's y'all. Y'all signed up to follow the policy, not me. I've already talked to your sergeant down there. She already aware, so you might want to give her a call on the radio, and then you can go back to doing what you're doing, man. All right. You have a nice day. What's your name and badge number before you go?
You got my time from the last time I talked to you.
What's your name and badge number? I didn't talk to you last time.
Yes, you did.
I got it on video. I didn't talk to you last
Do
time.
you remember?
You was
on the first
oh,
floor?
you was on the first
Okay,
floor.
so-
All right, you was cool. So see, stay cool then. Stay cool then.
You stay cool too.
I'm cool. You came at me talking about stop recording. I'm good.
I said that's the policy. In the
But
courthouse.
again, that's for y'all.
That's not for everything.
No, it's not, cause you look. It's a public building, man. We know that already. You can record in the public building,
There's still rules in the public building.
inside the courtrooms, not in the hallways.
Have a good day.
It's a difference. So that's one. Well, I'll say 2, because I'm gonna add the lady in the clerk's office. 2 people that got checked so far. Here come a 3rd. Let's see what's going on with this guy. They called you for me, man? They called you for me?
Huh?
I said they called you for me, or you just up here?
No, I'm something different, bro.
All right. Maybe next time. What that supposed to mean? All right, keep pushing then. That's 3, I guess. He don't want no smoke. All right, we got 1 more floor to go. Again, I'm not gonna mess with the clerk upstairs on the 6th floor. She was cool. I mean, if it's the same lady, I'm not. But if it's somebody else, I'm gonna go in there and see how she feel about it. See, they thought they was gonna put pressure on your boy last time. They lucky I had some stuff to do, and I couldn't afford the arrest then. Oh, I can now. I got time today. Today I got time, cuz. So we back. Okay. Of course, we've been down this hall, but it seems to always make them mad. So let's go again. Employees only. It's the exit door. Women employees. I guess no men can go in this room. Or is that the bathroom? It don't say bathroom, but I guess and those are the bathrooms. You know what? Even if it is the same lady, I'm gonna still go in there. Because she might have an issue with recording, although she was cool with the business we handled, because she's supposed to. So let's just put it to the test. If it's people in there, though, I probably don't, because I don't want to get their core business on here. But all right. And then here's the clerk's office. How you doing?
You filming?
Yeah.
Can I film in here?
Yes, I can, ma'am. Why not?
Because the law say you can't.
Where it's at? Show it to me.
We're saying they can't film.
Show it to me. You talking about this poster here?
You see the sign?
You talking about
See
this?
the sign right there?
Where? This? You talking about this? Or you talking about this here?
That's the phone. For on the phone. We're saying no filming or say no phone.
No.
No phone, man.
I mean, but that's not a law, ma'am. That's just a policy. Anybody can print that out and throw that up there. What happened? But this is not a courtroom. You can only not record inside of a courtroom. Lobbies, foyers, and corridors are fine to record in.
You're not supposed to be recording.
Why is that?
You're not allowed to record inside the building.
Why not?
No.
There's only two places in this building that's restricted for recording. That's the courtroom and the deputy's office downstairs.
You're not supposed to be recording.
I mean, y'all can hit the panic button. I've already talked to the sergeant downstairs, so y'all be wasting y'all time, but I'll stick around if they come up. Just so I can show y'all, so y'all don't be so cautious about people recording up here. So I guess there was a reason for me to come up here. We'll wait. I do have business here, ma'am. Don't lie on me.
Thank you.
I do have business here. Don't lie to them people like that. Why it's always your own people that lie on you? That is business. That's actually lawful business. That's actually lawful and lawful protected activity and business under the First Amendment of the Constitution, ma'am. Y'all might want to read up on that a little bit. I ain't up here to bother y'all. I was just doing a simple recording, and then y'all started telling me stuff, so I just wanted to address it for you. Okay, and now that you're doing that right there, ma'am, what you're doing right there is called making a public record. So now I'm going to put in a FOIA request for your phone so I can get your video. That's your personal phone. That's your phone. And you recording, right?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. So you putting in a record. Yep, I'm going to put in a FOIA request for your phone.
I need a restraining order? Oh, okay.
Now I got to put in the Public Records Act for the content of your phone, ma'am. See, now you done did that to yourself. Why would you do that?
Sorry, can you please let me get a restraining order?
I'm talking to them. Oh, you have to get to this
Yeah.
window? Oh, excuse me, ma'am. I didn't know that. I was just handling some little conversation over there. I didn't mean to get in your way.
What matter do you have?
I know. I was just listen. This is part of what I do, ma'am. We go around and we record in public buildings because by law you can, as long as you do it in a timely manner, which is why y'all open, and as long as you do it in the public area and you don't go past any restricted areas. This is open to the public, so this is one of those areas where you can record, ma'am. So it's not like I'm coming up here to start an issue. I was just doing my little tour of the building, and then you guys had an issue. So I just wanted to give you guys a little information to let you know that it's not illegal. So I'm fine, right? And then can I have that young lady's name? Because she did a public record. She recorded me, and I want to put in a FOIA, a Public Records Act, for the video of that phone. She recorded me.
I have a question. I would like to file a restraining order. There was an issue yesterday.
Yeah, she made a public record, and I would like a copy of that public record.
That's, I have a file for child custody. Can you?
No, I'm not recording you. I'm recording them, ma'am.
Thank you. That's a child.
I'm not recording her, though. I'm recording you guys.
To the case, he came to pick up the kids yesterday.
She's not nowhere in the camera.
He came to pick up the kids yesterday with his girlfriend. His girlfriend mumbles to him something. It's been twice already.
See, me and you, we cool. We don't got no issue.
Started fighting with my daughter.
Came in the other day, didn't you?
And we was cool. We didn't have no issues. And we shouldn't now. We shouldn't have an issue now, ma'am. Y'all creating the issue. Because I know you guys got the 2018 DHS memo about recording in the public space, right? And everything in there let you know that it's fine. I'm not doing anything I shouldn't be. Let me get back to her now. Now, can I get your name, ma'am? Because you are a public official, and I would like your name and information so I can request that video. Can you identify yourself, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Can you identify yourself?
Yes, no one has come up. The supervisor called for someone to come and remove the gentleman that is not taking.
I told you guys I've already been down to the sheriff's department. I've already spoke with the supervisor. What I'm doing is fine. You guys just have an issue with it because you're not aware of the law. But you're a public server, ma'am. You work in the public. If you want some privacy, you should probably work in the private sector somewhere where you don't have to deal with the public people. All I need is her name, and then I could be out of here. She's actually holding me up. If I could just get her name, I could be out of here.
Good morning, how you doing? All right.
She's prolonging this.
How have you been so far this week? I know. I got a 1:30 hearing, so I was taking my time. Hey, look, I need
Excuse me, can you give me that lady's name?
the motion for summary judgment.
See, you good. I don't got no issue with you. I mean, she got an issue and she started recording, so now I need that information she got.
00434.
Well, can you have your supervisor come speak with me?
Yes.
Can you do that for me?
It should be concluded today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can you have your supervisor come to the window?
Yeah, you need to see my ID?
And a copy of.
The motion for summary judgment, I think it was about a month and a half. By me. He's saying that it's not a clear copy, so I'm giving him a copy. Yeah, nice. It's okay. Yes.
Are you the supervisor?
No.
Can I, excuse me, ma'am. I need that lady's name, supervisor.
Sir, do you need help?
Yes, I need the lady name at the window.
Um,
Because I need the lady who was sitting at this window. She has on a yellow shirt because I need to do a FOIA request for some information she got. What's your name and badge number?
Deputy Gamboa's 602240.
All right. And did your sergeant let you know everything is fine already? Because I talked to her before I came up here, so I don't even know why
Yes,
they
she
sent
did
y'all.
make me aware.
Yes, I don't even know why they sent y'all up here then.
Well, I'm here because they called.
Well, yeah, I don't know what they called you for. I was just doing the tour. I did a little walkthrough, and they had an issue with me recording. I tried to let them know everything was fine, that I came down there,
Okay.
but then they still had an issue. So then this lady here, she started to record me on her phone, which she made. No, she didn't. I have her on video recording me. So what she did was make a public record when she started to record me on her phone. So now I want her name so I can put in a public record request for the content of that phone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Because once she did that record, that's now a public record since she on duty, whether if it was her personal phone or a work phone.
Okay.
When you on duty, that's a public record. When you make any recording, any voice recording, video, or pictures. So whichever one she did, I'm gonna need a copy of that.
Yeah, I can't.
She's a public. She's a public official, so you can give me her name.
Okay.
And it's in the policy. Yeah, I asked her for her name. She refused to give it to me. And it's in their policy. So she's actually in violation of her policy right now. She refused to not give me her
If you
information.
want, you go to the dumpster. I give a complaint form.
That's fine, but I still need her information so I can know who I'm
I can't
complaining
force you
on.
to- I can't force you to give
So
me.
are you going to follow your policy, ma'am, and give me your name? Excuse me, ma'am. Are you going to follow your policy and give me your name?
Yes.
Thank you. I'll take it.
You have a paper I can file for you so you can have it?
No, you can put right there on one of those tabs you just put to the side. I'll take it on that. I need your name and position, ma'am, so I can properly put that paperwork in. I don't know why people act like that.
She's getting it for you, right?
Huh?
She's getting it for you?
Yeah, she getting it now. Now that you're here, she was refusing to cooperate at first. I don't know why. All they have to do is stop resisting and cooperate, right?
I'm just getting it for you.
No, I'm saying prior to that, she could have just not resisted, right? No, because you started taking video, ma'am, not because you held your phone up. You wanted to be funny and also make a video of me, and that's where you messed up at. You don't have the same rights I have when you at work. Once you clock out, you get your rights back. And really, this window shouldn't even be closed because they're open for business right now. At this current moment, they will be stopping people from getting a restraining order, or people would think this window is closed because of the way she's handling this. And we also need this window open, ma'am, because you guys are open for business.
My supervisor closed it.
Yeah, and your
Because
supervisor's in the wrong also.
She closed it because I felt as like you was harassing me.
But I'm not harassing you, ma'am. I was just getting public information, which is your job. And you were just refusing to do it. And then you walked yourself into some stuff you didn't need to be in by letting your ego take over. So now we're here. I am. I'm about to file a FOIA request, ma'am. I am having some paperwork to file. I'm about to file a FOIA request.
But a FOIA request isn't filed in this office.
I know, but I need her name now.
Okay.
She made it an issue. Ma'am, how long is it going to take for me to get your name?
My manager is coming.
Okay, but you're a public official, ma'am, so you know it's in your policy to ID to the public. All you need to do is give me your name, and I could be out of here. You making this take way longer than it has to?
She's working on it.
Do you need this window? I'll move if you need this window. Okay, all right. You need a restraining order, sir? I'll move if you need to use this window. They're open.
Excuse me?
This is just for restraining orders. If you need this window, I'll move, though.
Thank you. No,
All right. All right.
You don't need.
So you see I'm not holding up any business. I'm over here to handle my business, and once my business is
Here you
conducted.
go. You can have my name.
You shouldn't care, ma'am. It's public records.
Yeah. Yeah. Because he don't know what my life has been.
I can't read that, ma'am. Can you rewrite that? And what's your position here? All right. And I'm going to put you on notice now for you to not to erase that record, because if you do, that would be actually a crime if you delete that, because that's actually a public record now that you're on duty. So I hope you kept that record. You have a nice day. See, that's all I needed. I would have been gone. Yeah, I got her name right here. So what, they sent you up here to babysit me?
They called downstairs, so I came because I got a call for service.
Okay. Yeah, we don't got no issues up here, man. I guess they just not familiar with the First Amendment, and they was just a little nervous. They hit the panic button, huh?
Yeah, A-phone activation. It's like a panic button.
Yeah, it's the same thing. Except they don't have nothing we'll be stealing from them, but it's still a panic button nonetheless.
Right.
You know? Yeah, I don't know. Actually, can I see your department issue ID?
My department issue ID?
Yeah.
I have my badge. I don't have it on me right now.
Whoa, you know that's a violation. That's a part of your uniform code.
What's that?
For you to carry your department issue ID anytime you're on duty.
No, I have it in the building.
No, you're supposed to carry it on you.
I have it in the building.
You're supposed to carry it on you. So you're in violation right now.
Elevator?
You're in violation right now, buddy. Oh, man, we might have another complaint, man. They just sent you up here and walked you into some shit, man. Why they do that to you?
What floor do you need, sir?
I'm going to y'all floor now. We going to the first floor now, man.
First floor? All right.
Yeah, that's where we got to go now if you don't got your ID on you. So you don't have your department issue ID on you currently.
I have it in the building.
So, but it's not on your person.
I have it in the building.
But it's not on your person.
On my person? No, it's not.
Oh, man. You know that's in your uniform code, right? Your policy?
Going down.
Go ahead. I'll follow behind you.
Okay.
There's no officer safety issues here. Oh, this the second floor? Oh, yeah. We going to y'all floor, man. We going to y'all floor. Oh, man. You know you're supposed to carry that, man. You slipping today. You're supposed to have 3 forms of ID on you at all times. Your badge, your name, and your department issued ID, man. Come on.
So, you want the clerk's office, right?
You said what?
Clerk's office, this way?
Oh, no. I want to see your ID. I want to see your ID now. I'm here on for you now.
So I'm going to go this way?
Come on.
But you can't go into it.
I won't go into that room. But all of this right here is publicly accessible. I won't go past nowhere where the public is not allowed. All this is publicly accessible right here.
Okay.
So if you got it in there, I'll wait for you right here,
No,
man.
I'm not going to bring it out, sir, but I do have it. But I'm going to bring it out.
Then let me talk to your sergeant there. Since you don't want... See, now, if you be cool and bring it out, I won't put the complaint in on you for you breaking your uniform code and not having it on you. But if you refusing to let me see it, then I'm going to have to go that route.
If you want to talk to my sergeant,
listen. I don't need to talk to her if you're going to just show it. But now, if you want to let your ego take over like they did upstairs,
right,
then I will.
That's fine.
So you're not going to show it?
I have it in the building. I'm not going to show it to you. But you want to talk to my sergeant?
I'm going to have to now.
Okay. So you know where
it's And he says your name is what again?
Huh? Deputy Gamboa.
Gamboa?
Yes, sir.
All right. You might have that complaint on you now, man. You should have just not let your ego take over and just showed it.
Public records don't stop where a panic button starts. Whether it's a clerk's selfie video or a deputy's missing ID, the law is crystal transparency is non-negotiable. Keep the lens up. Know the policy better than they do. And remember, every floor you film becomes a classroom, and every official who caves to ego writes your next Exhibit A. If transparency is our North Star, let's leave the courthouse glow and head straight for barbed wire, because the next audit pits the Constitution against a juvenile lockdown. A lone photographer steps onto a public sidewalk outside an Indiana juvenile detention center. Within minutes, security staff threaten him, deputies swarm, and one lieutenant demands ID or else. The auditor counters with the exact state statute on compelled identification, and suddenly the badge remembers the Constitution. Watch what happens when a camera knows the law better than the cops.
I can't be taking pictures of the rails?
It's national security stuff.
Really? What law is that? So you're gonna tell me I can't do something without knowing the law?
Yeah. You can't be taking pictures of some stuff.
Says who?
Critical infrastructure.
Says who?
Says the government.
The Constitution says I could.
You can't just go around taking pictures of anything you want.
What's your name, sir?
Officer Mackey.
Can I see your tag, please? I need to record it.
Huh?
I need to record it.
I just showed you.
So the judge asked for your name, you gotta go like this. I just showed you?
Yeah, I just showed you. And I told you what it was.
Wow.
Do you have some ID with you real quick?
Why should I show you ID?
Come on, man. Let's not make this difficult.
Why am I making it difficult?
Because we were told that
I'm minding my own business.
Hold on.
I'm minding my own business, taking pictures.
Hold on. We got a call saying you were taking pictures
which is constitutional protected. Okay, so
that's not
what.
What's the First
so taking pictures, being out taking pictures in public, is not First Amendment protected activity.
What's the First Amendment?
Tell me, it's not. What does the First Amendment say?
What's the First Amendment? Yeah,
freedom of speech.
Okay.
Freedom of press.
Okay.
Okay. I'm a journalist. I'm taking pictures of
do you have
everything.
Your ID?
I don't have to show you anything. The First Amendment is my press, okay?
Your journalist ID?
Check this out, guys.
So do you have your journalist ID?
This is the UTA Police.
Let's not make this difficult.
Well, you guys are making it difficult because I'm not breaking no law.
If we can get your name, we can probably get you out of here.
Well, I don't have to provide no name if I haven't broken any law. No, I
State
don't.
law states if a police officer asks for your identification.
Are you sure that's what Utah law say?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Are you sure? Doesn't it say you have to have RAS?
Huh?
Don't you have to have RAS? Okay, what law am I breaking?
I just told you.
What law am I breaking?
We were told you were taking pictures of critical infrastructure.
Which is what?
Listen.
Which is what?
Okay.
Which is
listen
what?
to me.
No, you listen to
rail.
me.
No,
okay?
That's not how this goes.
Do you have permission to take pictures of the rails from UTA?
Okay. Let me get
yes or no. Do you have permission to take pictures of the rails from UTA?
Hey, you guys want to call to the police department?
We are the police
Let
department.
them know.
Let me get your name.
I'm not giving you my name.
Okay, listen. State law says if you don't provide me your name, then you go to.
Can I get? Do you mind if I reach over here for a paper?
Go ahead.
All right. Let me show you a paper. Okay. So they're saying that I have to provide ID, whether I'm breaking the law or not. Whether I'm breaking the law or not.
You have to
Just because they want to come and ask for my name, I have to provide it. I don't think so. So what police department are you from?
UTA.
It's funny because last time I was taking pictures of the one over there by the county jail. Officer showed up. You know how nice he was? Oh, it's good. I know it's your constitutional right to do it. You know, we just got a call, and that's it. He left.
That's not critical infrastructure.
Right.
The rail is.
Here you go. You want to read the highlighted one? Right here.
Like your name. All right. So the guy that called in said you were filming all over at the bus hub and FLHQ, this building right here, across the rail. Is there any reason why we're doing that?
Who was that officer park over there earlier?
I don't know.
So you guys want to park over there? One of you guys, wasn't it you?
Over where?
And that side where the entrance of to go inside over there in the cul-de-sac. You guys, you saw me getting off the train, taking pictures. Why didn't you say anything over there?
Taking pictures?
I took pictures of you. I even took pictures. Why am I being detained?
Because you're taking pictures of critical infrastructure.
And what law is that I broke?
He was just talking to you about it.
He didn't mention no law.
It's Homeland Security.
Homeland Security.
So what about Homeland Security? I mean, what law have I broken? I heard about Homeland Security, but what law have I broken? That's what I want to know.
For one, not providing your information.
You don't have to.
Yes, you do.
When I haven't broken any law.
You want me to pull up the state code?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Read it right.
If I pull up the state code and show you what law you're breaking, are you going to provide your information?
If you prove to me that I'm breaking the law,
and you'll provide your information.
I'll provide my information.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. This officer over here, he's saying that he's gonna check what law I'm broken and that I have to provide ID to him, whether I broken the law or not. Just if they ask, I have to provide ID.
All right, Utah State Code 768301.5. Failure to disclose identity. A person is guilty of failure to disclose identity if during the period of time that the person is lawfully stopped, subject to a stop, is described in 77715, which is right here. 77715. There. A peace officer may stop any person in a public place when he has reasonable suspicion to believe he has committed or is in the act of committing or attempting to commit a public offense, and may demand his name, address, and explanation of his actions. You're not explaining your actions.
You're not explaining what law am I breaking?
This is an investigation. Okay?
No, I'm not going to give you my ID. That doesn't prove anything. Doesn't prove anything. If I have not committed a crime, I'm not...
It doesn't say you've had committed a crime. It's in the process of
if you have reasonable doubt that I'm committing a crime or I'm going to commit a crime,
let me read it
then
again.
I could give you my ID.
Possibly,
but I haven't.
Listen to me, okay?
I'm not going to listen to you.
Okay, when people...
I'm done listening to you.
Okay, well, I'm going to talk anyway, okay?
All right,
if you're taking pictures and stuff of critical infrastructure, I have reason to believe that you may...
From public, right? From public. Make sure you say that. Make sure you say from public.
You said you weren't going to talk to me anymore.
Make sure you... Well, I just want to make sure you say from public.
I have the reason to believe that you may be in the process of committing a crime or thinking of committing a crime, and that's why I stopped you, okay?
What crime are you thinking that I'm committing?
Acts of terrorism, maybe?
Oh my God.
Okay. So I just explained that to you.
Paranoia is not the law. Paranoia is not law. Okay. So that's how you guys are.
With all the acts of terrorism that happened around the country, okay? What do you think those individuals did? Went around taking pictures.
You are sure about that?
I'm positive.
Am I free to go or am I being detained?
No, you're being detained.
For what crime?
I didn't say it is a crime. I'm saying I'm investigating.
Okay. All right, Chris. Thank you. Again, I don't consent to staying.
That's fine.
If no crime has been committed, I'm leaving. What happens if I leave? You don't want to answer me? What happens if I leave? I will, Jerry.
Sir, did you want to provide any information to us?
ID laws trigger only after a real crime suspicion isn't enough. If a badge barks orders, ask for the statute, keep filming, and stay on public ground. Cameras don't provoke abuse, they spotlight it. Every recorded standoff tightens the leash on public power, one frame at a time.